Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to have clear skin using all natural ingredients. Let's get into it, shall we? Blackheads are small black skin projections often found on the nose but can sometimes appear on the back. These black projections form a plug blocking the sebaceous glands of the skin. The sebum, oily substance, gets exposed to oxygen from the air and is oxidized, turning it black. There are many causes of blackheads. Here are some of the most common: stress, hormonal changes, genes, hygiene, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, caffeine. There are cleansers and strips available from stores, but if you follow these simple steps, you will be on your way to removing blackheads and cleaning your pores naturally. Number 1. Tomato wash. Tomatoes are a great home remedy to remove blackheads. The tomato has natural antiseptic properties that dry up blackheads. Take a small tomato, peeled and mashed, then apply it over the blackheads before going to bed. Leave overnight and then wash your face with clean water in the morning. Number 2. Lemon scrub. Lemon is another natural ingredient that is effective in treating blackheads. Squeeze a few drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Add salt and stir the mixture well. Wash your face with warm water and apply the mixture on the blackheads. Leave for 20 minutes and wash your face again with warm water. Number 3. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste over the blackheads, leave for 25 minutes and wash your face gently with warm water. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks to be free from blackheads. Number 4. Honey massage. Honey has antiseptic properties that work wonders for both oily skin and blackheads. Apply honey onto the affected area and wash off with warm water after 15 minutes. Number 5. Baking soda mask. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply gently to the affected part, allow to dry for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water to remove the oil and dirt that cause blackheads. Number 6. Oatmeal Pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is good for the skin and helps banish blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it. Mix all these ingredients well till it forms a paste. Apply the mixture on the face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and wash your face with cold water. Number 7. Egg wash. Raw eggs are an effective home remedy to get rid of blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites, mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of blackheads, leave for 30 minutes, and wash off with warm water. Number 8. Cinnamon pack. Prepare a mixture of equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the affected parts and leave on overnight, and then wash off with warm water in the morning. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.